Everyone has ideas. The problem is turning one into something people can actually use. Today I'll show you how to go from idea to working product with AI, and I'll give you one concrete step to do right now. First, shrink your idea. Beginners fail because they try to build everything. Instead, write down the single smallest version that solves one problem for one person. Not a whole app, one feature. For example, not a full budgeting platform, just a tool that turns a bank statement into a simple spending summary. Second, describe it in plain language. Open an AI coding assistant like Cursor, Claude, or the free tier of your favorite chatbot, and paste this exact prompt. Act as a senior developer. I want to build a simple web tool that does X. List the files I need. Then write the code for the first file and explain how to run it. Replace X with your one feature. The AI gives you a starting scaffold. You run it. It breaks, you paste the error back, and it helps you fix it. That loop, build, break, fix, is the whole job. Third, and this is your concrete step for today, show it to 5 real people before you polish anything. Send them the rough version and watch where they get confused. Their confusion is your to-do list. Now about money. Building useful tools can lead to income. People pay for things that save them time. But there's no guarantee and no overnight riches. What's realistic is this: the more small products you finish, the more skilled and valuable you become. Finishing is the skill almost nobody has. So pick one tiny idea, scope it to a single feature, and get an ugly version working this week. Ugly and working beats perfect and imaginary every time. If this helped, subscribe. The next video builds a real micro tool from scratch.